Hi everyone, it's Brett with It's Picking Time. We're working four-fingered chords today, and this is the F four-finger open chord and the C four-fingered open chord with the G four-fingered open chord. Now this F shape, this F chord with sort of the E major shape. So if I back up, I'm going to go into my quad view here so you can see what I'm doing. This is the F, and if you pick your first finger up and back the rest of the fingers backwards to the first and second fret, you have an E major. So that's an E major shape. So now we're going to move it back to the F. And what's useful about this is that it's a bar chord. It's a bar chord shape without doing the bar chord. Now, it makes it, you can see my thumb is kind of touching the top string. I'm not pressing on it, although I could, but I'm just muting it. And the bottom string, I'm being lazy with my first finger, so I'm muting that too. So there's a little technique here to be able to play down the fretboard, and you'll miss it on one of the screens there where it's above my shoulder, but you move down. You can move down side to side using that shape, and it's really helpful to be able to play chords that you would never play before, because it's a movable chord shape. Okay, this is the C shape. I'm just moving all three fingers up one string up to the ceiling one. And this is a tricky little move if you've never done it before. So practice it. I think it's a bigger, fatter sound. And that's C to F, which, if you don't know already, you're going to be doing a lot if you play guitar. And then the G is a full G, all four, full meaning it's four fingers, but also full meaning that there are three octaves of the G note being played here. There's a G here on my middle finger, there's an open G, and then there's a G where my pinky is. So it's a full three octaves, and that's why that chord sounds so big and full. Okay, and then we can just move between. So moving between them, dropping those, getting control of these last three fingers is a real nice stepping stone to playing your bar chords if you want to play bar chord, or just being able to play the open chord sounding shape down the fretboard. Okay, so just enjoy this, guys. I had one guy that was telling me that when he records for commercials and whatnot, and he told me that he doesn't typically use a bar chord when he records because it muddies up the recording. He'll use this shape for open chords to make it sound better, and I thought that was really interesting. So that's why I bring this up to you, and in hopes that you can start getting control of your last three fingers, dropping into the F and the C with all four fingers, and making nice full chords. Okay.